braids are super cute. Hey royals, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed and styled this 18-inch piano color T-Part unit that I got from UNice Hair on Amazon. This is the Bet You series collection. So if you are interested to see how I styled and installed this unit, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Give this video a big thumbs up and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this install. So the wig that I'm going to be installing today is from UNice Hair on Amazon. This is from their Bet You series. This is an 18-inch T-Part honey blonde unit. Inside of the box, along with the wig, I received a pair of stocking cap and a cute headscarf. So straight out of the box, the wig was super soft and super cute. This wig is in 150% density. A bit about the cap construction of this unit: it is a silk based T-part unit. It has two combs by the sides, one to the back, and it also came with adjustable straps so you can adjust it to your particular liking. So I went ahead to cut out the silk based closure because it was too light for my skin complexion. So to cut the silk based closure out, I'm going in with my scissor, and after that I'm going in with my razor blade just to cut around where the white thread is sewn. So after I finished cutting out the silk based closure from the wig, this is how it's looking. So I went ahead to bleach the knot on this T-part unit. So I'm just going to be working on that, and then I'm going to jump right into the installation process. This is the piano color T-Part wig from UNice Hair, and this is in 18 inches. So it's gonna be a quick and easy install. I'm just gonna be using my blast free spray today to do this install. So by now you guys know I go in with my black opal foundation to put into the knots of the wig. I went ahead already to bleach the wig, but again, as I normally do, I always use my foundation to put in the knots so that it can blend perfectly with my skin complexion. So if you watched my prior videos, you know I always do this. You can use any foundation or concealer of your liking. So I'm just gonna go in with my rubbing alcohol to clean off any extra makeup before I lay my T-part wig. I'm gonna go ahead to cut off the extra lace to the back. And then I'm going to adjust the adjustable straps. And with this T-part unit, you have to be careful how you pluck it because there's not much hair. So if you're not certain if you should dye your roots on this wig or not, you can use to make the roots look a bit darker. So I'm gonna show you how I do that. So this is the technique that I use to lay my baby hair, and it works magic every time, just by using the Got to Be Free Spray and the Maurice beeswax. You guys, this is the end result of my install. As you guys can see, like, this unit is bomb. This color looks perfect on a melanin complexion, and this unit retails for $129.26 on Amazon. This unit is super soft, super gorgeous, super effortless, so the highlights are super cute. Only con is that it only can be poured in the middle. So what I did, I used my black opal foundation in the knots of this unit. This is how long the wig is. This is the end result. Yeah, like, the flow is effortless, like, super gorgeous. 10 out of 10. Again, all the information will be in my description bar down below, so you can purchase this unit. So until next time, always remember to put God first in everything that you do, and see you in my next video.